What if I told you that right now, while you're watching this, your neighbor 3 streets over is paying 80% less on his electric bill, and he spent $73 to get there, not $20,000, not solar panels, not a government program, $73 one weekend. Parts from Home Depot. The reason you haven't heard about this has nothing to do with the technology. The technology is 130 years old. It has everything to do with who benefits from you not knowing. In the next 6 minutes, I'm going to break down the 4 real levels of home energy independence, what each one costs, what each one delivers, and which one makes sense for where you are right now. Level 1 is going to shock you. Level 1, supplemental power. This is the entry point, and the entry point is dramatically more affordable than most people realize. We're talking about a compact, portable power generation unit that you can build yourself over a weekend using parts from any hardware store. Total cost between $73 and $110, depending on the scale you build. What does it deliver? Enough power to run small appliances, fans, phone chargers, LED lighting, a small radio. It won't power your whole home, but in a blackout, it's the difference between darkness and basic functionality. The technology behind this level goes back to Nikola Tesla's 1894 bifilar coil patent. The science is over 130 years old. The components are available today for a few dollars each at Home Depot or any electronics store. Build time. Under 4 hours for most people, no electrical background required, and thousands of American homeowners are already running these systems, quietly, without any news coverage, without any government incentives. What most people miss about Level 1 is that it's not a destination, it's a door. Once you've built your first system and watched it run, something shifts. You stop thinking about energy as something you buy and start thinking about it as something you generate. Level 2 is where that shift becomes real. Partial independence. This is where you start powering meaningful portions of your home. Refrigerator, freezer, basic lighting, phone charging for the whole family. Cost range, $200 to $800. At this level, most homeowners combine a scaled-up DIY supplemental system with battery storage, a deep cycle battery or two that stores generated power for use on demand. The payback period here is typically 6 to 18 months. If you're paying $150 a month for electricity, and this system covers 40% of your consumption, you're saving $60 a month. Your investment pays for itself in under a year. Level 3 is where solar panels enter the conversation. And to be clear, solar works. It's a legitimate technology that has improved dramatically over the last decade, but the numbers need to be understood honestly. A system capable of covering 50 to 70% of an average American home's energy needs typically costs between $5,000 and $15,000. After all, installation. Some states offer tax credits, but even with incentives, the upfront cost is substantial. The payback period for solar typically ranges from 7 to 12 years. That means you're making a decade-long financial bet on a system that requires roof access, professional installation, and ongoing maintenance. Solar makes excellent sense for homeowners who plan to stay in their property long-term, who have a south-facing roof with minimal shade, and who have the capital to invest up front. For everyone else, it's worth starting at levels 1 and 2 while solar prices continue to fall. Level 4 is full off-grid independence. Solar panels, deep battery storage, backup generator, water independence, the complete package. The homestead that runs entirely without utility connections. Cost range, $15,000 to $40,000 and above. This is a significant capital project, closer to a home renovation than a home improvement. The people who go this route are typically rural, homeowners, serious preppers, or homesteaders for whom energy independence is a core lifestyle value, not just a financial calculation. What's interesting is that virtually every full off-grid homeowner says the same thing. They wish they had started at level 1 or 2 years earlier, because the experience of generating your own power, even a small amount, completely changes how you think about energy. That mindset shift is what ultimately leads most people to level 4. So where should you start? If you're watching this channel, the answer for most people is level 1, not because level 1 is the ultimate destination, but because it costs less than $110, takes an afternoon to build, teaches you the fundamentals of home power generation, and delivers immediate, tangible results, a lower electric bill, and a working backup power source. From there, you scale at whatever pace makes sense for your budget. Level 1 to level 2, level 2 to 3. The path is incremental, which means it's actually achievable for the average American household. The $20,000 solar system as your first step is what kills momentum. Starting at $73 and building from there is what actually works. 4 levels, 4 completely different price points, and only one of them costs less than a tank of gas to get started. Drop a comment right now. Type 1, 2, 3, or 4, whichever level you're aiming for. I rate every single one, and it helps me know exactly what to cover next. Subscribe for the upcoming videos where we go deeper on the actual build process, starting from level 1, step by step, no experience required. I'll see you there.